Reliance Standard is one of the largest insurance companies in the United States, and they administer a lot of long-term disability insurance policies. Yet, as with other insurance companies that we've covered on this channel, they also deny many LTD claims, sometimes unjustly. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a partner here at CCK Law, a national disability law firm based in Providence, Rhode Island. Today, I'm going to discuss Reliant Standard Life Insurance Company, including why they deny claims and what you can do to fight back if yours is denied. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Reliance Standard is one of the largest group disability insurers in the country. Employers often purchase group LTD policies through Reliance Standard to offer as a workplace benefit. Because these are employer-sponsored policies, they are almost always governed by ERISA, a federal law with strict rules that heavily favor insurance companies. There are several reasons Reliance Standard may deny a long-term disability claim. They may argue that there is insufficient medical evidence. They often argue that your medical records don't document limitations severe enough to prevent you from working. In reaching this conclusion, Reliance Standard will likely rely on their own in-house medical reviewers who have never examined or even talked to you. Reliance Standard also often denies claims based on surveillance or social media research. They actively investigate claimants, including conducting video surveillance on them and monitoring their social media. In doing so, even ordinary daily activity can be taken out of context to suggest you are not as limited as claimed. It's also common for Reliance Standard to deny based on the change in definition of disability. Most group LTD policies define disability as being unable to perform your own occupation for the first 24 months of benefits. But after that, the definition typically shifts to any occupation, which is often a much harder standard to meet. Reliance Standard frequently denies claims right around this transition point. They also deny claims frequently based on independent medical exams. Reliance Standard may require you to attend an exam with a doctor of their choosing as part of their claim review. But these doctors are often hired specifically to provide opinions favorable to the insurance company. If your LTD claim is denied by Reliance Standard, do not ignore the denial letter. The denial letter will contain a deadline to appeal, which is typically 180 days under ERISA. Missing this deadline can permanently forfeit your rights to your LTD benefits, as you must exhaust administrative remedies before going to court. That means you must file the internal appeal with Reliance Standard first, and only after a final denial on appeal can you file a lawsuit in federal court. It's also important to remember that the administrative record is critical. Once you exhaust your appeals and move to federal court, the record is generally closed. This means that new evidence typically cannot be submitted at the litigation stage, and the appeal is your best and often only opportunity to get the right evidence in front of the insurance company. If Reliance Standard denied your LTD claim and you need to appeal, you should obtain your full claim file. Under ERISA, you are entitled to a free copy, and you should request it as soon as possible after the denial. You want to review the claim file carefully to understand the specific reasons Reliance Standard gave for the denial and identify any medical opinions they relied on in reaching that decision. In appealing, you should get detailed support from your treating physicians. A simple note saying, "My patient can't work," is not enough. You need detailed functional assessments that document your specific limitations, such as limitations in sitting, standing, concentrating, and so on, based on your condition and resulting symptoms. You should also gather evidence to counter the opinions of their medical reviewers. If Reliance Standard relied on an in-house or IME doctor, you should consider retaining an independent medical expert to review and respond to their findings. It's also important to consider vocational evidence. If the denial involves an any occupation determination, a vocational expert can assess whether your limitations actually prevent you from performing other types of work. As always, it's also a good idea to consider consulting with an experienced LTD attorney for help with the appeal. Reliance Standard has a reputation for aggressive claim denials and a well-resourced legal team. But that doesn't mean you're without options. If you're dealing with a denial or termination of your long-term disability benefits, our team at CCK Law may be able to assist. Since 1999, we've been helping claimants go up against big-name insurance companies and know what they look for in a successful claim. We may be able to help you too. Contact us today for a free case evaluation. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.